Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Rima Maulidia. You can call me Lydia. I am student college at Ahmad Dahlan University and my major is economic development. Here, I make this video for final semester of certification takes in English too. Well, guys, if you have a useless photo frame, I will turn it into a beautiful sleeping light. You are curious? Check this out. Hi guys, for now I will show you how to make a sleeping lamp. Okay, the first you must be prepared the ingredients. Okay, the first is photo frames. The next is tumbler like this, and then name paper. This is my name. And the next is masking tape, and then table tape. The next small tape, and then screws. The next is display color, and then the last is paper. The next we start to make sleeping lamp. Okay, the first take the frame and clean it from dirt until clean. The second, take the small tape and paste to all body of photo frame. Third, paste the masking tape and double tape on the paper name and cut the paper name according to the pattern. Remove the paper name and paste on the glass frame. Take the day spray and spray it into the glass frame and don't forget to seal the bottom using newspaper. Tray for 13 minutes. Close the name paper and the tape from the frame. Remember, like and insert into the frame. And finally, put the card. Well guys, this is a beautiful sleeping lamp from Lydia. Okay, check it out. Whoa, it's very beautiful. Okay, don't forget guys, you can also adjust the style of the lamp according to taste. And like this. Okay, oh so cute. Next. Okay. And next. Wow, so beautiful. Well, that's my creative tips, and I hope this video will be useful for you and for everyone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget like and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.